Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the seventh video. Alright, so in today's video of Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading, we will be looking into one of the most important elements of technical analysis, which is the support and resistance. Alright, so guys, let's move into the video and looking into support and resistance, right? Like I said, this is one of the most important um, type of technical analysis. All right, so almost every trader around the world uses support and resistance to analyze their chart at any point of time, right? So there is no chance of anyone that would want to run away from it, right? So at any part of their trading journey, definitely support and resistance would have played a very important analysis role. Okay, so yeah, looking into support and resistance, we will be seeing what is support resistance and identifying support and resistance, which means how to identify what is support and what is resistance. Okay, so let's go into what is support and resistance. Okay, so basically, like I said, it is a technical analysis method which is widely used by almost all traders around the world. And support. Okay, so what do you understand by support? Right, so it is a basic English, right? So what does support mean when we are like supporting something, lifting something up, some sort of like that is a basic meaning of support. There is nothing hidden right over here, right? So okay, occurs support occurs when the price falling of price stops, okay, or change direction, or when the price begins to fall. Okay, that is when support start. Okay, so known as the floor, which means supporting, right? Okay, guys, so imagine okay, you are jumping somewhere, right? So you're jumping on a trampoline or something. All right, so you will not land towards the ground, right? So the trampoline over there is acting as a support to push you up, correct? So that is an exact scenario that I could actually explain to you regarding support. Okay, that is that simple. So when a price is falling down, all right, so there will be a support at certain level which will protect the price from moving further down, right? So in that support line, the price will actually it will actually help the price to move up. Okay, simply meaning that is support. All right, so and about resistance, all right, so resistance occurs when the rising of price stops, all right, change of direction, or when the price begins to rise. Okay, so it acts as a ceiling. Okay, like I said, okay, you are jumping in a trampoline inside of a house, right, inside of your house. Okay, and definitely there will be a ceiling on top of you, right? So you can never break the ceiling and go further up to your second or third floor or whatever that is, right? So that ceiling actually acts as a resistance. It pushes you back down, and the support actually pushes you back up. Okay, so that is the simple meaning of support and resistance, guys. So what is support? Okay, support is when the price is coming down, there will be a support line which is helping the price not to break out further down, but to push it up. And about resistance, when the price keeps falling down, when the price keeps going up, okay, there will be a ceiling price over there where the breakout will not be able to happen and the price will move down. Okay, so this is just a simple explanation about support and resistance. Okay, so let's go into identifying support and resistance. Okay, guys, so this is a screenshot from my ebook. Okay, so right, if you can see, this is a simple explanation of a chart. Okay, so guys, the chart will not be like this. Yeah, all right, so the exact chart will not be like this is just for illustration purposes and to show you the identification of support and resistance. Okay, guys, so if you can see my mouse right here, all right, so the chart moves up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so over here, when the price goes up, there's a resistance line over here where the price cannot break out. Okay, so it pushes back down, and this support over here is not allowing this price to break out. So when it moves up, okay, imagine this resistance line is a complete line. All right, so a breakout has actually happened over here. Okay, so if when the breakout happened here, when it moves up, there is another resistance over here which pushes the price down. Okay, and there's another support over here, and moving up, the same formula. All right, so that is identifying support and resistance is that easy and very simple, guys. Okay, So moving forward, okay, so when the price moves up, then pullbacks, the highest point is known as the resistance. Okay, so you can see here, when the price moves up, it pullbacks. Okay, so this is known as the resistance, and this will be known as support. So resistance indicates the surplus of sellers. All right, so when there are a lot of sellers, all right, so when you are selling, the price goes down. Okay, so it will have a support line over here, so that it will not break out the price. Okay, so this indicates there are quite a big number of traders who are actually selling that particular uh, currency pair or metal or whatever you are trading at that particular moment. All right, so when a price continues up again, the lowest point is known as the support, like I mentioned. And support actually indicates the surplus of buyers. Okay, so when there's a big number of traders who are actually buying, right, so the price will actually move up. So what happens when there's a equal number of big buyers and also big sellers, right? So that is when sideways happen. All right, so there is no clear direction, guys. So okay, over here, if you can see that this price is actually kind of like moving up. All right, so this is showing that the sellers are actually more than the buyers over here. So this is just an example, guys. Okay, so do not take this as an actual scenario. I'm just showing this particular screenshot over here for your knowledge. That's it. Okay, so when there is like I said, equal number of big buyers and sellers, all right, which is the market speculators or the market movers, so this chart will not look like this, but it will look like this. Okay, in a straight form, whereby the resistance line will be straight and the support lines will be straight. It won't be like up down like this, because the number of buyers and the number of sellers are kind of like equal, so the price is not actually having a breakout or having a movement, but it is going like in a sideways. Okay, guys, so with that being said, let's do a quick recap. Okay, support and resistance is actually a method or a model of technical analysis, right? So no traders around the world will actually run away from support and analysis, because this is the most basic type of technical analysis that the trader could use, and which is also very simple and very easy. Okay, so till date, right, so I am still using support and resistance and SNR technique or SBR and RBS technique, all right, so which I will further explain in the future videos, and it works the best for me. All right, so like I said, right, in my previous videos, I like to keep my chart as clean as possible. So support and resistance technique is one of the most cleanest and simplest method of technical analysis that you can actually use to plot in your chart. Okay, so support occurs when the falling price stop, all right, change direction, or price begins to fall. Okay, right, so support acts as a floor to actually push your price up. Okay, and resistance occurs when the rising of price stops, right, change of direction, or when the price is beginning to rise. All right, so when the price is keep going up, all right, so there is a ceiling price right there, or there's resistance line. Okay, so which is stopping your price from rising further up, and also it is pushing it down. All right, so during support, what you can do is you can actually place your buy trade, all right, and you will make a profit. All right, so in resistance, you should actually place a sell trade, and you will make your profit. Okay, guys, so with this being said, right, we have actually come to the end of this video. Okay, and just to let you know that this particular video on support and resistance is actually the most simplified and a summary to give you an overview of what is support and resistance actually. Okay, so if I would want to do a video on support and resistance, right, so we can go actually way deeper into support and resistance and look into what is bounce. You know, there's a lot of terminologies that can be used to determine, and also the ways that you can actually benefit from support and resistance analysis. All right, so if you guys want me to do that video, okay, so do drop me a comment down there and let me know that you need this video, and I will actually come up with a video as soon as I can. Alright, so guys, with that being said, we have come to the end of this video, and please do like and subscribe to our channel if you do not want to miss any of our updates. Plus, you can also visit our Facebook and Instagram at Virgin Virtue. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching and have a good day.